we're going to look at the NiceVeedi light kit. Here's the box that it came in. It has a user manual and 2 AC adapters. I measured the AC adapter and it is almost 6 feet, which is nice. Then it comes with these 2 tripods. They have these LED panels. The temperature ranges are 2900, 4800, and 7000. Now, I personally haven't used LED panels. I've used soft boxes, but not LED panels. So I would be interested in knowing how they work out in a larger room as well as in smaller ones. So I will show that to you once I have this set up. They have this remote with which you can adjust the brightness levels from 10% to 100%. Finally, it has this nice carry bag, so you can take it with you wherever you are traveling. So next, we are going to put it together and check it out. So that's the next step.
You should be able to set up in either format, this way or this way. It has, right here you can adjust them. Once you start using it regularly, if you like it, there you go. Here's the stands. They actually seem to be pretty sturdy the way they were built. This is a coating, not a paint. As you can see, you just adjust this, goes like that. And this is the telescopic part here. So you just undo any and all of these and pull it out. And they're pretty tight, which is actually a good thing. If you've dealt with this stuff before, it's first going to piss you off because you're like, man, this is really hard. But if you're using this all the time, it's got to start out stiff so that as it takes wear and tear, then it doesn't just fall in and out and it won't stay. So it looks like it's pretty well built. So that's that, and that's the kit for you. All right.
That's it. Now here are the lights once we've turned them on. As you can see, this is a warmer color and this is bright white, and you can change them by using this remote right here, and this is the on and off button right there, and you can change the colors. This is a medium tone, this is the warm, and my verdict is this is pretty good in a smaller room, or if you're lighting in the back of the room, or you have it towards your laptop or your setup. And these are adjustable. You could use it for your YouTube studio, home studio, or maybe for your gaming studio, and whatever else you would like to use it for. And these are not as they won't provide you as much light as the softbox would, but you get this light for various other purposes, and it works out really well. I paid $47.49 plus tax for this during the Black Friday sale, so I think the list price was $59. So, but Amazon often offers different prices on it and sales, so you might get a great deal on it. So a downside I noticed with this light kit is it does not come with a phone stand, and so if that's what you're looking for, so this may not be the right light kit for you. These are the NiceVeedi video light kit, tripod and LED light.